Yo, my good people, it's your boy J Poppy Marketing again. Um, Today I want to talk about depression. Um, it's not a good thing. It's a bad state. It's a state which mtu hawezi takata you understand, even to think about it. You get with the current economy, a lot of people are being depressed. A lot of people are going through stuffs that mtu hawezi kukwambia like kwa nje mtu ako sawa, anacheka, anafurahi nini, ila ndani mambo tofauti, understand? But people don't talk about it. A lot of people don't talk about it, but it's really a bad state in which mtu hawezi kuwa. So leo I want to talk about it because I've met a couple of people na mtu anakuambia mazee, siko fresh, siko poa, like na feel mazee, like I just feel like ending this life. I don't think unajua some people unaweza ona mtu kwa sura ako fresh, like labda suti ni nini, unaelewa, like but the battles yanapigana nazo it's huge. So me personally, what I would like to say is, I know we are not okay. We are not okay. This one it's a fact. We are not okay as a country. We are in a bad state. We are really in a bad state. Things are not moving. Things are just crazy. Like literally everything is just crazy when I get. But what I can say is, what is depression is a state that you have suicidal thoughts. You think of you understand, ending your life, thinking of like is the end nini z. I know you'll be like, yo mazee hujui napitia nini, but my advice is, see, God akikucreate, he had a purpose, he had a reason why he created you. Sometimes mtu anaweza kaa chini, unajua ukiwa kwa hiyo state you like mazee hakuna hata God, like wacha isifikishe hapo, because when God created you he had a plan. God akona plan yako since you're born mpaka day uta die, understand? So hizi vitu zote unapitia right now, I know it's a bad state. It's a state in which like mimi nimefika mwisho, but ile time unaona unafika this is the end, time God anachukua sasa, anasema, you understand? So go through it with courage, kwa tu mse prayerful, like kwa mse ana put God first in everything, because God knows, trust me, kitu wasio wajuaji, God anajuaga, understand? He knows everything. He knows why you are there and why you are not there. He knows everything. It's just that anataka, it's good, let me put it this way, it's not good that you're going through that, but ushakuwa kwa state, ukitoka kwa state you're like mazee, kazi God singetoka hii place, kazi God ingekuwa probably ingekuwa nimedie, kama si God I don't think ninge make it through, understand? So sometimes God anakupitisha all that so that you can acknowledge his existence. Sometimes tunapewa vitu tunajisahau, tunapewa mandahi, tunapewa like, if you have good life, sometimes you tend to forget that kuna God. That is a fact. Sometimes you tend to be like, hii nguvu yangu, hii ni bidii yangu, mimi ndo nimeenda job, mimi ndo nimefanya ABCD, but ni God, understand? So me, what I believe in, because I know both lives. Kuna time nishaikosa, kuna time nimepata. My life has been kama graph, you understand? So I know nisha kwa hiyo state, I'm like, yo man, God, kama huko mbona unafanya nipitie all this? Why will you allow me to pass all through? For what? Understand? But ili come to realize after ile time nimepass hiyo phase, trust me, nili realize the only option is to serve God. Like, I don't know how to put this, but God anakupitishaga truth that hiyo faith ndo ujue enyewe kuna God, enyewe bila God siwezi. You understand? So I know probably in that phase right now, but my advice is keeping on. Don't let that phase of depression, it could lead into suicidal thoughts, it could lead into probably do some things that you'll regret later. See, keep doing what you're doing, involve God in every situation, involve God in every decision that you make, and trust me, utakuja kuniambia, it'll be like yenyewe kama si Mungu singe make it through, kama si God singekuwa ABCD, but it's because of him that I am where I am today. Mimi, I'm a product of faith. I'm a product of faith. Mimi usemaga tu kama si God, I couldn't be where I am. My life, all of my life, mimi najuaga tu ni God, ni God, ni God, ni God. Nikikosa ni God, nikipata ni God. Understand? So, me, what I will urge you today, I don't know, probably this message is just for you. Wewe peke yako. Probably sio hata sijui kina nani watazi, probably tu yako. So the message is, mimi naweza kukwambia is keep doing what you're doing. Don't let that depression to lead you into suicidal thoughts. You focus probably on the negative side. But keep God first, keep moving. Understand? And trust me. Hii phase itaisha na utaknology kuwa kama si God singeweza. So don't let the phase ikufanye you do crazy stuff ama, you understand? So focus on what you're doing, keep on praying, keep God first in everything that you do, and trust me, itajipa siku zote, au sio? Peace out. Kama kawaida, J Papi Marketing. Till the next one. Much love.